Welcome to our second video on how to register eTIMS PayPoint Windows. If you have not watched our first video, which is sign up process, kindly do so. And for those who have watched the first process, let's proceed. The requirements needed for registration on eTIMS PayPoint Windows include 1. Director's ID, 2. Signed commitment form by the director. These can be accessed on the KRA website. 3. A laptop or a desktop whose operating system is Windows 10 and above. Please note that this system is not compatible with Apple products. Using the link used during the sign-up process, that is etims.kra.go.ke and eTIMS taxpayer portal, type your KRA PIN in the user ID field box. Type the password created during the sign-up process and click Login button. Once you have logged in, click Service Request on the right-hand side, then click eTIMS. Scroll down to Service Information and click drop-down under eTIMS type to select eClient if you are dealing in goods only or goods and services. Proceed to click Browse and upload both the director's ID and a commitment form signed by the director. Ensure that the two documents are either saved in PDF or JPEG format to enable you upload them successfully. Click Send and a question, "Would you like to apply?" will pop up. Click Yes to submit your application for approval process.